Hello guys. I think audibility, audibility and the visibility is good so for you. Today I am just going to discuss class 10th math questions, linear equation in two variables. From chapters linear equation two variables, I have just found questions in a school's book. I will not disclose the name of the book, but I will realize the beauty of that questions in this way. I'm just explaining to you. As you know, there is a lack of the resources. I am not so advanced technology over here. However, I am trying to represent the better explanation of these questions. Questions like this, just you see over here. 2x plus y is equal to 2 and 2x plus y is equal to 6. Suppose this one is equation 1 and this one is equation 2. With the help of these two equations, you have to draw a graph. You have to draw a graph, and questions is asking you, when you are drawing a graph, then you will get a trapezium. Just like you see over here, I have just draw a graph of these two equations with the help of these equations, and we get the trapezium. Question is asking over here, you find the area of the trapezium. Okay, uh, good. Many of the students and many of the teachers are doing these questions in this way. He find the area of this bigger triangle, and subtract the area of this triangle, then ultimately he or she find the area of the trapezium. Okay, don't mind. अब बोलोगे सर कि आप फिर इस क्वेश्चंस को इस लेवल पे क्यों ले जा रहे हो, तो इसके पीछे रीजन है कि जहाँ तक मेरी अनुभव है, मेरी एक्सपीरियंस है कि इंडिया में एक ऐसी टेक्नोलॉजी है जो हर जगह फिट हो जाती है, और वो टेक्नोलॉजी काफ़ी बेटर वे में होता है, उसको बोलते हैं हम लोग जुगाड़ टेक्नोलॉजी। तो ये जो आप आंसर कर रहे हो जुगाड़ टेक्नोलॉजी है, बट मैं इस क्वेश्चन का आंसर एक्चुअल वे में करना चाहता हूँ। जस्ट यू नो द एरिया ऑफ ट्रेपेजियम इज इक्वल टू हाफ ऑफ सम ऑफ पैरेलल साइड इनटू डिस्टेंस बिटवीन द parallel lines, distance between the parallel side, and that is h. Here we are finding d1, that is AD. AD is A, and this one is under root 1 square plus 2 square, and this produce root under 5. Just like d2 BC is root under 3 square plus 6 square, and it produce 45, root under 45. Now, to find the area of the trapezium, first of all we have to find the distance between the parallel lines. So for the distance between the parallel lines, I have drawn up perpendicular from D to the line BC at point E. Now see, in triangle AOD and triangle BEC, angle O and angle E is 90, that is it becomes A. Angle C and angle this angle will equal from AI. As you know, this line and this line are parallel to each other, and this one is the transversal. From so AIA, this line and this angle will become equals. Obviously, this angle will be equal to this angle from opposite side. So also angle C will be equal to angle D from AIA and this one. From AIA similarity, now from AIA similarity in these two triangles, you may show. I have just showcase over here from plus sign this triangle and this triangle, h1 over 1 and EC over 2. So h produce over EC by 2. Now in triangle DEC, this one is R perpendicular and this one 90. So this one becomes hypotenuse. So this, the length of this section is 4. So 4 square is equal to square of this plus the square of this. And in this way, we have to find over here h equal to EC equal to 8 over root under 5. And from here, h equal to half of EC. So h becomes 4 by root under 5. Now, area of the trapezium, half of sum of parallel side, d1 plus d2, and height 4 over root under 5. Get common root under 5 from here. So this becomes 1 plus 3 and root 5 gone up. And ultimately we got over here half of 4 into 4. This becomes in 2 times. So 2 into 4 gives 8. So area of the trapezium you got over here is 8 units. My concept is not showing to our solution over our concept. I'm just trying to analyze the things कि हमें इंडियन स्कूल्स में, हमें इंडियंस को प्राइमरी या प्री एजुकेशंस में हम इन्वेस्ट क्यों नहीं कर रहे हैं, जो कि हम सोचते हैं कि हम इंजीनियरिंग, मेडिकल, आईएएस, आईपीएस के लेवल पे जाकर खर्च करेंगे। ये हमारी क्या है, ड्रॉबैक है, हमारी एजुकेशन की ड्रॉबैक है, हमारी एजुकेशन की लिमिटेशंस है। अगर हम एलिमेंट्री एजुकेशन पे, सेकेंडरी एजुकेशन पे, प्राइमरी एजुकेशन पे खर्च करते हैं, दैट विल गिव मी द रिटर्न इन द हायर एजुकेशन। हमारा कंसर्न वो है। अब बताइए, बच्चों को डेवलपमेंट चाहिए, इनोवेशन चाहिए, एक्सप्लोरेशन चाहिए। उनको टीचर्स लगते हैं, उनको पेरेंट्स एक्सपेंसेस लगते हैं, उनको टाइम लगते हैं। Then why we are not going to explore the knowledge of the student? We are distracting the students to learn, memorize the things. Memorizing things you have already found, but see the beauty of and pretty of these questions when you are trying to exploring these questions in front of you. You just may analyze. So please, I have a request to every parents and schools or private or government, please invest in pre-education, primary educations, give time, please save the future and make the futures, and you will be known as guide of the future.